Hey, today will be noted on the record book of SYmates for doing an art video after decades. Yes, almost majority of my subscribers friends asked me to do one art video, and I was not in a state of mind to do that in these days. Today we are. So we are looking on to 10 must-have art supplies to be an artist. If you are an artist or you are willing to be an artist, you should have all this to make your artwork easy, to consume less time and to make less effort while drawing. Obviously, this will make your art look better as well. Hey, welcome back. Actually, I want to confess you guys something. If you want to make your art better, you must have a strong belief in yourself and your talent. Number 1, patience and passion. If you have a thought that only talented people can draw well, it's not meant for me, then you are an utter flop, my dear friend. Dude, art comes by practice and passion for over years. None of the art supplies can help you to draw well if you don't have the practice, if you don't have the passion, if you don't have the patience in that. So practice often. Number 2, drawing pencils and charcoals. Usually drawing with only pencils are meant for beginners. If you think that you are good enough than a beginner, try charcoals and white pencils to add highlights. This will give more realism to your drawing. Sketchbook. Have a sketchbook by your own, my friend. Rather than drawing it on an A4 paper or any other papers, have a sketchbook to store all your drawings. This helps to check your previous drawings and to monitor your own personal growth. Also, you won't lose any of your drawings. It will be safe in your hands. Smudges or stumps. People used to call this with so many names, but I used to call this stump. This is used to blend your pencil shadings to give a gentle look. This reduces pencil strokes, will have a clean look and shadows as well. You don't need to use your finger next time. Have it worn by yourself. This is totally worth it. Kneadable eraser. You see this? Wow, you can change to any shape as ever deserve you want. Yes, this is an eraser and this helps to add highlights to your drawing while drawing a hair or any other parts of the body. We can change it to any shape and use it effectively. Black paper. Black A3 papers give you so lot of feel and originality to your drawing than white papers. You should try drawing on black papers to feel yourself the magic yard. Fixative spray. These are a type of spray which fixes like a glass coating just above your drawing. So you can't smudge your drawing easily. This helps to last your drawing for so many years without fading its color. Tripod. If you are an artist, you will be probably spending more time within yourself than with a community. So to capture your drawing and artworks, you need an extra person to capture a photo or a video for you. Just forget about that and buy a tripod, my friend. You can easily keep this on one side with recording on. It will do its job. You can do your job, just go on with ease. Pocket sketchbook. Pocket sketchbook really helps you when we are traveling. So small, yeah. You can't take a A3 or A4 sized sketchbook anywhere cause it's big in size and hard to take and draw it from public. A5 or A6 drawing books are so convenient. It fits easily in your bag and it's so easy to get travel with and easy for you to take out and draw it on a public. Drawing space in your home. Apart from art supplies, you should have a private space in your home where you can feel most alive. It will be most ideal if it is in your room. A drawing space is so necessary for you to boost your ideas, skills and talent within you. It also helps to bring a disciplined routine to your drawing time. Cool, right? So these are the 10 things that helps you to make your art better. The art supplies which I mentioned completely in this video is listed all in the description. You can check it and buy it if you want to. And I have a personal Amazon store where I listed all of my art supplies which I use and trusted by my own. Hope this video is a useful one. We'll see you in another video with a beautiful content. Till then, lots of love. Subscribe to this channel if you aren't already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep creating and be creative. Bye.